A warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shantipriya Grammar Classes. So in this video, let us discuss how to transform assertive sentences into imperative sentences. As it is a very important topic, please watch this video till end. Then only you will be able to understand the concept clearly. And those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share these videos. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. Yes, now let us come to the topic. So first let us discuss what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means the sentences which are used to describe any general action, event, speech or expression of our daily life. It may be both affirmative and negative sentence. That means what? Assertive sentence is nothing but statement. Okay. So in that you may have positive and negative statements also. Structure of assertive sentence. What is the structure of assertive sentence? You have subject plus verb plus object. Now let us see the example here. You should finish the job in time. So that is one example. Next is what here? Nobody is conscious of the fact yet. Okay, now let us see what is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are the sentences that include commands or requests also. Okay, in other words, the imperative sentences are used to direct a request, instructions or an order. So it doesn't have to be about an order. So it need not be in order. And most of the imperative sentences, they start with the main verb. Let us see the examples here. Don't be afraid. We are here, folks. Show me some respect, son. Stop the car immediately. Move your legs. There would be a little pain. Drive your car carefully if the wild wind blows. Enjoy this delicious meal. To install Witcher 3 Game of the Year edition, download the Steam desktop launcher. Okay. So these are few examples of imperative sentences. Now let us see the rules for transforming assertive sentences into imperative sentences. Okay. See, one, subject. That is second person subject you will use here. So in the affirmative sentence, see here, you will omit the subject you and modal auxiliary verb. So what you will use here? Should, must or ought to of affirmative sentence during transforming it into imperative. The other elements will be unchanged. Besides, if you want to express any request or politeness in expression, you may use the word kindly or please in sentences. That means what? In assertive sentence, if you get modal auxiliaries like should, must, ought to, you will remove that. And not only that, you will remove even you also. If we see example here, you must study regularly. Here you is the subject, must is the modal auxiliary verb. Now you will omit these words when you are changing into imperative sentence. Like what you can use here, study regularly. If it is an order. Next, if it is a request, see how will you see here. You should attend classes. So here you got subject you in assertive sentence and should modal auxiliary. But when you are changing into imperative sentence, please attend classes if it is a request. Okay. So next is second rule here. So here second person negative never. So here you will omit the subject you and modal auxiliary verb should, must, ought to of negative sentence during transforming it into imperative. You have to use the negative expressions do not or never at the beginning of the imperative sentence. The other elements will be unchanged. See here, first you will get here, you should not play in the sun. This is assertive sentence. Here you got subject you and modal auxiliary should and negative word not. So now how will you change into imperative sentence? So you will omit you and should, modal auxiliary should. So what will you get answer here? Do not play in the sun. Next, you should never run fast. Change it here, just you will omit you and modal auxiliary should and you will just write here never run fast. Okay. Now let us see rule number 3. So here you will add the word let at the beginning of the affirmative sentence during transforming it into imperative. You must use the objective form of the subject after let. The modal auxiliary verb here, what you will get here, should or ought to or must, will be omitted in imperative. The other elements will be unchanged. If you take here, see examples here, he plays cricket in the afternoon. So here you have to start the sentence with let when you are changing into imperative. Say let and what you will use here, him. Let him play cricket in the afternoon. Understood? Yes. Now let us see the next rule, rule number 4. Here you will add the word let at the beginning of the negative sentence during transforming it into imperative. You must use the objective form of the subject after let. Then put the word not before the main verb. The modal auxiliary verb, what will it be? Should or ought to or must will be omitted in imperative. The other elements will be unchanged. If you take example here, he does not miss class in the school. So he is the subject, does not miss is the verb. Now how will you change it? See here, you have to use the word let. Let, and objective form of he is what here? Him. Let him not miss in class in the school. Okay. Next is rule number 5. Here, if the subject of the assertive sentence is a noun, you will add let and not like before, but you will put the same noun subject as it is in the assertive. But do not or does not will be omitted in imperative sentences. If we take example here, Rohan does not visit the city. So what you'll use? You won't use do not or does not here. So what you'll use here? Let not Rohan visit the city. Okay. So with this, I am going to end today's topic. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Those who have not yet subscribed, press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share these videos. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. Thank you very much.